Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can add gradient text in the Canva. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open the Canva application and then select any template which you want to make. For example, I want to make YouTube banner or YouTube thumbnail. That's why I will click on it. And then I will select blank template and then I will write something and then I will show you how you can add gradient text in the template. So for example, I will write anything like, for example, how to add gradient text. So you can see I have written this text. So if you want to add gradient text, so just click on text options and you will see there are different options at the bottom sides. Just move in the left side and you will see apps options. Just click on it. And then you will see search options and search here type gradient. And when you will write type gradient options, you will see the options of type gradient. And when you will click on it and you will see type gradients apps. Just click on it. And here wait some second and then write any text on which you want to add gradient. For example, I will write add gradient in text. So after that, scroll down and you will see gradient options. Just click on it and you will see color options and then select the color which you want to add in the gradient. So after that, you can see when I will move it, the color or gradient effect is added in the text. So if you want to make it more attractive, just click on it and you can add here any gradient color. So you can see when I will move, so the gradient effect will be added. So if you want to make it more attractive, so you can change it according to you. So here you can see it looks very amazing. So guys, after making gradient text, so just click on add to text and you can see it has been added in my template. So guys, in this way you can add gradient text in the Canva for your template. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.